welcome back to the channel. Today, we're stepping inside a home that perfectly blends luxury, elegance, and warmth through the dreamy combination of blush pink and gold accents. I'll be giving you a full tour of the living room and bedroom, showing you 30 carefully selected decor items in each space that make the interiors feel modern, cozy, and totally Instagram-worthy. Living room tour. Blush velvet sofa, the centerpiece with soft, luxurious fabric. Gold-framed glass coffee table adds sparkle and elegance. Blush pink accent chairs complement the sofa while adding texture. Gold side tables, small but statement-making pieces for drinks or decor. Blush area rug with gold patterns anchors the seating area. Gold floor lamps with blush shade creates a cozy glow. Blush throw pillows with metallic embroidery, layered textures for comfort. Gold candle holders add subtle shimmer on the coffee table. Blush curtains with gold tassels softens the windows and adds elegance. Gold-framed wall mirrors expand the space visually. Blush and gold abstract wall art injects personality and style. Gold chandelier with blush crystal accents makes the ceiling a focal point. Blush ottoman with gold legs, additional seating or footrest. Gold magazine rack, functional and chic. Blush and gold side cushions, extra comfort with cohesive colors. Gold trimmed bookshelves, stylish storage for books and decor. Blush vases, hold fresh flowers for life and color. Gold decorative trays, organize small accessories in style. Blush artwork frames with gold lining, subtle layering on walls. Gold curtain rods with blush tiebacks, finishing touches for elegance. Blush poofs with gold accents, casual yet luxe seating options. Gold clock, statement piece that doubles as wall decor. Blush decorative bowls, functional decor on tables or shelves. Gold geometric sculptures, modern touch that complements soft colors. Blush and gold floor cushions, perfect for lounging or reading. Gold lamp stands, pair with blush lampshades for layered lighting. Blush throw blanket with gold embroidery, adds texture and warmth. Gold framed family photos with blush backgrounds, personal yet cohesive. Blush colored planters with gold stands, greenery looks elegant in these. Gold accent wall panels, optional but adds luxurious depth. Bedroom tour. Blush upholstered bed with gold headboard, the star of the room. Gold bedside tables, functional yet visually striking. Blush bedding with gold embroidery, instantly upscale and cozy. Gold table lamps with blush shades, perfect for reading and ambience. Blush area rug with gold highlights, soft underfoot and visually cohesive. A gold-framed full-length mirror makes the space feel bigger. Blush throw pillows in layered textures, comfort meets luxury. Gold-framed wall art with blush tones adds personality above the bed. Blush curtains with gold accents softens light while enhancing style. Gold ceiling pendant light adds glamour to the bedroom. Blush ottoman at the foot of the bed, extra seating or storage. Gold jewelry holder or tray organizes accessories stylishly. Blush and gold bedside decor items, candles, vases, or small sculptures. Gold-framed floating shelves, display decor and books elegantly. Blush vanity chair with gold legs, pairs with a vanity table seamlessly. Gold accent wall panels behind the bed, creates a luxurious backdrop. Blush and gold throw blanket, draped casually for layered elegance. Gold bedside alarm clock, subtle and functional. Blush storage baskets with gold trim, keeps clutter stylishly hidden. Gold curtain tiebacks with blush tassels, small detail, big impact. Blush wall-mounted sconces with gold fittings, ambient lighting for the room. Gold-framed mirrors above the dresser, adds depth and reflects light. Blush decorative bowls and trays, perfect for small accessories. Gold geometric decorative pieces, modern, chic, and luxurious. Blush indoor plants and gold planters, adds freshness and life. Gold-framed abstract artwork, draws attention and enhances sophistication. Blush poofs or floor cushions, casual seating or accent pieces. Gold curtain rods with blush finials, finishes the window decor elegantly. Blush-colored accent wall with gold detailing, optional but highly luxurious. Gold chandeliers with blush accents above the bed, creates the ultimate focal point. So there you have it, a complete tour of a luxury blush and gold interior, highlighting 60 items across the living room and bedroom that add elegance, warmth, and style. Which detail in the living room or bedroom was your favorite? Comment below. I'd love to hear how you'd use blush and gold in your own space. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. More home decor tours, tips, and styling secrets coming your way. Thanks for watching.